Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So the vet is getting ready to go home pretty soon, within a couple days for sure. And just give you guys a quick once over under here. I spotted a couple things that, with a clear conscience, I cannot leave. They had installed the e-brake cables incorrectly and drilled a couple of holes in this Morrison chassis. And I can't leave it like that. It's like a sealed part of the frame. Moisture gets inside there, it could potentially cause problems. So I'm gonna weld that up right now. Other than that, everything under here is clean. I don't see any drips. I don't see any rattles. I got the exhaust centered. So yeah, I think this is gonna be a good driver for a while. But right now I'm gonna weld up these holes. What I did was I took my 3M little belt sander and I buzzed off the paint. I think they rattle canned it. It doesn't look like it's powder coating. And I'm gonna clean out those holes and just wire weld them up. This thing is super handy. I use it a lot. Wipe it down with some lacquer thinner. This is some Duplicolor semi-gloss black. They make a semi-flat black, and semi-gloss. I prefer the semi-gloss. It looks a little bit more like the original. I like to put a little light coat on. It's a good base. Let it just skin up a little bit. I think that's it. All right, that's it, you guys. See ya. She's got some pepper, that's for sure. Gonna bleed the brakes one more time. I'm gonna call Mike and tell him to come get it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.